Today I will be showing you some fun energetic yoga flow. So please go at your own speed because slower is better than forcing. So let's start. That's right. I've got my sandal on, my flip-flop. We're not gonna move the legs too much, and when we do, I'll just take them off. You can do the same, you can be barefoot. As long as your feet are touching the ground, that's what's important. So let's start by wiggling our fingers and our toes. If it's too much at the same time, just do the toes and then do the fingers. A little bit of wrist, ankles. Take them off. Yeah. There we go. Shoulder roll, that's always nice. And little baby circle to warm up the neck here a few times. Go at your own pace, slow and not too big, like little circle. Just loosen the neck, maybe ear to shoulder, ear to other shoulder. Whatever you feel your body needs a little bit of something, a little movement. So very mindful movement, think before you move. And let's just bring one hand to the opposite leg. Our feet are about hip distance apart here. And just bring one arm across. Shoulders open, smile, maybe looking towards your fingertip. Maybe your head is wherever it's comfortable. That's where it should be, really. And just breathe here. Just breathe, if possible, throughout your nose. And let's switch. Now, in order to lose a little weight here with yoga, we need to move. We need to have active flow. And we still can do that on a chair. You just want to move a little bit more than you usually would. So pretend to grab that big beach ball right now and push it away. So maybe scoop your bum a little forward here. Grab your beach ball. Now really grab it. It's hitting you right in the belly, like your pretend beach ball. And push it away. You see what I'm doing here? Grab the ball, belly button towards the spine. Push away. This is a variation of cats and cow, but you can do the movement very small too. Maybe your beach ball is very small and you just push it away. If your hands don't turn like that, just swipe them away and that's all good. Again, big inhale and exhale all the hair out. Grab that big beach ball and on your exhale, yours not mine, push the big ball away. It's fun, we'll do a few more. Inhale, exhale, grab that big beach ball. Hold it, squeeze, and exhale, push it away one last time with your own breath. So just lift a foot and find where it's comfortable for you. And whichever range you are at, this is where you're gonna kick that heel back. Now my toes are up. That way I get that nice stretch in the back. And down. Now I'm gonna scoop back a little more. Now other foot, same thing. If it's that high, it's fine. Maybe you're holding on to your pants. Kick. You're still getting a good workout here. So wherever your range of motion is, nice hug to the knee. Toes up, take your heel and cow. So big inhale and exhale, this time throughout your mouth. Again. And exhale down. Now you can keep on repeating that. Maybe your feet are a little lower or you just want to take a turn here. And may as well add a little jab to it. So kick. And this time we're kicking with the ball of our foot. Poof, poof, poof. We're gonna add a little punch to the side. Poof. If possible, with the opposite foot, towards the opposite foot. And back in your little punch. And a little hook. Back to your jab. Just see what feels good. Make your own little routine here. You don't have to use the order if the twist doesn't agree with you. And exhale all that down. Big inhale up here. Exhale. Now when we do something rapid like this, you can't match your breath or you'd be breathing like real fast. So you just breathe, but what's important is you don't hold your breath. So that's where you're gonna be, where I'm still doing the feet. Oh my goodness. You can hold to the chair here in the back if you want. We're gonna end with a tree pose variation. So just bring your heel inward. Just rotate, pivot one foot. Maybe your foot wants to go up and touch your calf, maybe not. And go at your own range. We're gonna stay there just as a first step here. First variation, inhale up, exhale down, and back down. Now again, inhale the heel up. This time, if you can, stay where you are at. If you can bring your leg higher, bring it higher. Inhale up, keep your arms up. Wherever you are, maybe your entire foot is still on the ground and you just pivoted your heel. That's cool. Bring your arm up. They can be in namaste, and you always have the option to put them on your hips. So wherever it feels right to you. Big inhale up, and the wind is coming. It's bending our tree forward just a little bit, like, oh, nice. Don't push, just guide. And you see, I'm avoiding pressing on my knee. My arm is just on my leg, putting a tiny bit of weight just so it feels just good. If it hurts, come out of it. Exhale out of it. Other side. Same thing. Go at your own, wherever you're at with your range of motion. You're working just as hard as me and the one that's got her leg around her neck. You're going at the best you can, the maximum of your range of motion. And again, maybe inhaling tall. Oh, wait, my arm. And inhale your arms up, wherever they are supposed to go. They can be on your hip again, they can be on your hips. On Namaste. And exhale, bring that forward. Now I'm gonna take my forearm and just press gently, just guiding really. I'm not pushing, nothing violent here. And I'm just gonna round my lower back a little bit. Maybe baby twist. And inhale back up. Now let's have a very active, happy baby. Very active, happy baby. Now make sure you're sturdy on your chair. Keep one foot down at the time if you need to. You don't want to go flying off. And exhale all that down, shoulder roll. Inhale up, exhale into your namaste. And I want to thank you so much for joining me. Wasn't that fun? It was outdoor too. We finally can start filming outdoor. Isn't that nice? And if you like this video, please leave me a thumb up. And let me know in the comment about your own yoga journey. I have a video here on the corner if you want to continue. Yeah, it's so wonderful that we're getting this great weather. We can start filming outdoor again. Hopefully we'll have many great days like this so we can film outside like that throughout the spring. So wouldn't that be great? Thank you again and namaste. Thanks and thank you. Nobody's there.